Cassie likes to eat my popsicle with me. She also likes to ride the wheelchair with me. We just got back from doing that, and oh, she's tired and she wants her popsicle. She don't care what flavor it is. Let me have a bite of that.
Where did that ball come from? That ball.
We were riding the wheelchairs one day, and we found it out there at the basketball court. Somebody left it, and Jade picked it up because it's her bouncy ball. Told you, every time she finds a ball, she's gonna bring it home. Oh. Isn't that good, Cassie? You getting a headache yet? Hmm? Here. That piece off of there. Did you get a headache yet? Did you? Is that cold?